look at this one. Just came in. It is now available to purchase here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1984 Buick Riviera. Pretty much an original car. This particular vehicle is light briar brown. Came to us the way that you see it. About 84,000 miles on it. It appears a lot of the paint, and the majority of the paint on this car is original. See, the one filler panel up here does have a little crack in it there. Great running and driving cars. We're starting to see a lot of these mid-80s from kind of 82, 83 up to 87, 88 in a lot of the GM products. Kind of becoming the next popular trend. A lot of people are liking to drive these and just use them for cruisers. Going to roll-ins with them. You know, they're 35 years old now. So they are becoming kind of into the classic car scene. And you forget how nice and smooth and comfortable these cars were until you still get in one and drive it. As you can see here, I have a couple of the floor mats, piece of carpeting. Those are the floor mats that were on the floor mats that are in the car. So I took those out just to show this car has been very well taken care of. I'll show you the floor mats that are in the car itself. Very, very nice shape, as well as the rest of the interior. Not showing a bunch of wear or tear or rips or anything like that. It has a leather interior with kind of a saddle leather insert. Check out the dash in this too. Lots of times you'd see those cracked. I'm assuming this car was probably garaged the majority of its life. It is powered by the 307 V8 underneath the hood, automatic transmission, and loaded up with equipment. Has a concert sound stereo system to it, power seats both sides, power windows, power locks, cruise control, tilt column, AC. AC does blow cold. When we start it up, you hear it run. You'll hear that compressor turning on and off. There is a little wear to the top here that has been fixed. I don't think it's going to go anywhere, but just so you're aware of that. And those are the only spots as far as the top goes. Other than that, pretty nice shape. They put the soft tops on those to make them look like a convertible, which it is not. Got a little badging down here to trick you where they have the Riviera Roadster badging there, but this is not a convertible top, not a Roadster. Two-door hardtop with the vinyl roof. Come around to the back. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can take a look at every angle, you can check out the interior engine bay. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you'd like to inquire about this car or have any questions on it, please feel free to give us a call to 507-386-1726. We can assist with transportation. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Just keep those things in mind when looking at it. See how straight this car is also. Very well kept. What you'd expect for a true 80,000 mile car. Dries out very, very well. Take a look at the interior here. So it's kind of a two-tone, say a two-tone brown and camel, I guess you would call it. See the door card's in nice shape. There's your power seats, power windows, power mirrors. Like I said, a lot of equipment on this car for 1984. Take a look at how this leather's worn too. Very nice shape. Got a few wrinkles in it because that's all leather is when it's subtle and wears. Fold down armrest in the center. Otherwise bucket seats in this baby. Very nice Riviera, excuse me. Let's go ahead and start this. See how easily it starts. Digital dash works fine. There's your odometer, 84, 127. Again, the concert sound stereo system. With the cassette player, we're going to turn on this AC here a second. Hear the compressor kick on. Like I said, it does blow cold. Even rear defrost in this car. Like I said, this thing is very highly optioned. So go ahead and slip out. You hear this thing run, just what you'd expect out of a stock 84 Buick Riviera. We're going to slip up to the front and pop the hood so you can check out the engine bay. Once again, you can check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, our phone number 507-386-1726. Like I said, I'm going to pop that hood, and I forgot to show you something. Like I said, the carpeting and floor mats in this car have had floor mats over the floor mats. So once again, you can see how nice a shape that's in. Just going to pop that hood. Nicely that door closes and fits. I'm going to pause this a second when we pop that hood open so we can check out the motor. Alright, pretty much all stock under here, what you'd expect. Nice tidy engine bay. Again, 307. V8 in here. Look how smooth it runs. AC does blow cold. Of course, you got the power steering, power brakes. All of the good equipment under there too. So there you have it. 1984 Buick Riviera. Light briar brown. About 84,000 original miles. Nice equipment. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. Of course, Unique Classic Cars is where you can check out the still pictures.